Welcome, everyone. I want to start off by just simply asking you a question. We say, I am that I am, and we use that term, but I want you to begin to feel into who is that I? When you say, I am, who are you at that level? There is a you that exists that is beyond anything that has happened to you in this physical life, any of the beliefs that you have taken on, any of the things that you've learned. And that I, when we really truly tap in and understand what it is to be I am that I am, I exist, I am here. Who is the I that is here? It's that you, beyond all of the stories, at your widest, most divine, beautiful self, coming forward to create, to understand that you were born for love, you were born for joy, you were born for the experience and the expression of joy. So oftentimes we forget that, and we begin to feel as if we are our stories, or we feel that we are the struggle, and we are so much more. And when we align with that so much more, when we align with the truth of who we are, miracles are made, are manifested, and that begins to become the norm. So I mentioned the question, and the question I want to ask you is, at your widest, most free space of being, who are you? What is it to truly be free? Freedom in this sense is being able to choose whatever experience you desire in that moment and be able to be the creation of that experience. Freedom is not escaping. Freedom is truly creating. If you allowed yourself to be this free version of yourself, not at the affect or effect of anyone, not your family, not your friends, not your work, not your own belief systems, not your past lives, no karma, simply allowing yourself to be free and fully rooted into the infinite divinity of divine love. Who are you? How does that begin to change how you relate to yourself and relate to the world at large? Are there spaces where you are simply reacting? You're taking on the energy from family or friends or work or the collective? And are you ready to really truly let that go and feel into what it is to be the divine love that you are, beyond the stories, beyond the experiences that you've had, beyond the accumulation of the years and the stories, the memories, the peptides? What is it to truly, truly experience the greatness of you? Darius and I talked a lot in our call about how we charge our field, and the life we live is the sum total of our vibration. We oftentimes think in terms of our belief systems, but our belief systems have a particular resonance, and that resonance goes beyond the belief. It goes into the operating system of who we are. It goes into the fundamental layers that have been created and oftentimes placed upon or compacted that I that exists beyond time and space. And as you begin to change your frequency, just like you pick up a remote control and change a TV station, or just like you touch your radio and you begin to change the dial, you allow yourself to tune into a new energy, a new possibility, a new experience, and that new experience begins to grow in your field. It takes root. And just like a stalk begins to absorb the flavor of the ingredients you put in it. Your life begins to manifest as the sum total of all the vibrations, of all of the frequencies, of all of the energies that you are holding. And so what would it be to be able to consciously choose the ingredients that you put into that pot, to consciously choose the vibrations that you allow into your field and that you create from? What would you choose and what would you create? We have a beautiful space where there are 56 very specific energies, all created from this new, massive, expansive space of light and light spectrums that we are currently experiencing, allowing us to let go of so much of the old and transition into the new with ease and joy and abundance, while completely changing the environment around us, completely changing the soup stock, allowing the inside and the outside to begin creating something new, creating love, creating abundance, creating wellness, creating joy, and doing so with ease. These energies are incredibly powerful, incredibly potent. And it's a way for you to create exactly what you desire, to not be at the effect or the affect of the collective or the media or of politics or of economics, but to know that you are the one that creates and the universe provides for you. You are dependent and codependent on no one and no thing. It is a space of total freedom. So in that total freedom, who are you? What are you creating? What are you doing? How is your life different? And how might you begin to expand into that space with this beautiful weekly support, with these beautiful energies? I'm going to share a track now. This is one of the bonus tracks, and it is called 11th Dimensional Bliss. And this begins to move you into the space of the archangelic realms, the Lyran consciousness. It takes us into a space beyond the 5D. The 5D is the space of the open heart and synchronicity. And as we expand dimensionally, we move into understanding the self, experiencing the self through the eyes of Source as the observer. Yet in this observational consciousness, we're also able to create at the individual level. So there is a homecoming within this energy. We move out into the energy of the Palladian, the Arcturian. We move into the self-love, the nurturing energies of the Andromedan energy, the Christ consciousness of the Orion frequencies, understanding I am that I am. And as we experience all of these energies, it opens us up to this 11D bliss, which is knowing we are loved and cared for, knowing that we are infinite, allowing us to begin to release all of our fears, balance the light that we are within the body, creating a new physical structure, creating a new relationship to our body, to our reality, which allows for reality to shift, allowing for blessings and love and joy, allowing for new miracles, massive transitions, huge changes in the best, most loving, wondrous ways. Enjoy this beautiful gift, and as you allow these frequencies to fill you up, know that just like ingredients in anything you might cook or bake, these are the ingredients that you are now charging your field with. These are the ingredients that you are now aligning with, so that the universe begins to deliver unto you a new finished product. That the universe begins to respond to you in new and glorious ways, allowing you to fill with joy and love and abundance and light, creating all that you desire in bliss and joy, as you experience the freedom of who you truly came here to be. Enjoy. I am free. I am abundant. I am joyfully receiving the I that I came here to be, the I am that I am, with much love. And if you'd like to experience more of this energy and fully surround yourself with support and abundance and joy for an entire year, take a listen to our beautiful call and know that you matter. You are worthy. You are amazing. And you are here to experience, to love, and to truly, with freedom and joy and ease, live the life of your deepest desires. Namaste.
If you enjoyed this experience, feel free to check out what Jared is doing in his amazing 52-week experience down below and grab your early bird savings. Much love.